we're together at a very, very wet Brands Hatch today, and we've just completed the first victory together with the March Duratec Sports 2000 car. So please tell me how you feel about that from your point of view, from a driver's point of view. How's the car feeling? You did the dirty work in qualifying. Talk me through it.
Okay, well, it's basically it's a dream come true, isn't it, for both of us, really?
Absolutely.
We both haven't sat in the car for over a year.
Yep.
We've obviously been involved with the project from pretty much the word go. I was, and then you came on board. So I think it's justice, really, that we both managed to get the first win together. I think that's fantastic. I really do. As you know, we came here yesterday with a car that hasn't run for months. It's now 6 inches longer than it was. Not for people of our size, but to get any size driver in. So obviously the car's gone through a big change. We didn't have a long time to sort that change out, which we had to go out yesterday in using Scott Racing to run the car as well, which has been fantastic. So we worked through the problems quicker than we'd like to have done. We did more changes than we should have done, but because we had limited time, we did what we had to do, and we got a drivable car in the dry, which was fantastic.
And I mean, from my perspective, when I was driving the car, understand it was a new car, it needed a little bit of time, it needed a little bit of development, and effectively together yesterday with Scott Racing that only had the car for a few days anyway, we had limited time, but there seemed to be some very rapid development on the car. And for me, I found the car is so easy to drive now. Was that the same with you?
Most definitely, yeah. The car's longer now, which has made it more stable in the fast corners. I was a little bit worried that we were going to have lost some of its nimbleness, but it doesn't appear to have. As you know, the car's very comfortable to drive now. You can push it really hard, and the more you push, the quicker it'll go. You can't really ask for much more out of a racing car, really. So really pleased.
And for people who would be interested in using this as a track day car, of course, it's a car that's effectively evolved from a race car to now a very, very easy car. So it is a brilliant proposition for track day customers. Would you agree with that?
Most definitely. I mean, you've been proof of that. You didn't get much mileage in the car at all yesterday. I hogged it. But as you've proven yesterday and today, you can jump in it and be competitive. So, I don't think anyone would have a problem at any skill level to get in this car and drive it, to a good level.
Well, certainly from my perspective today, we had running yesterday in the dry. It was totally new to everyone today to come in the wet, and of course, if you've got a car that works so well in the wet, it is going to work very well in the dry as well. So, to my mind, I think with a little bit more time as well, this car will absolutely fly in the future.
Most definitely, yeah. And with the guys from Scott Racing, with the testing program that they've spoken about as a possibility, I do think we can unleash a lot more potential out of the car. So fantastic.
And I think I can speak for both of us, and we both feel that there was a little bit of unspoken rivalry and jealousy as to who might get the first win. So to get it together
it couldn't be better.
We're all happy.
Absolutely couldn't be better. Cheers. Thanks very much for the opportunity. Anyway, brilliant.
Thank you. Brilliant.
You.